Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. This is Byrem house. It's hair day in this country. Okay, so I haven't done my hair for like a month, and this is what it looks like. I've just been going through it. So I need to get my hair done. So first thing we want to do, I washed my hair already, conditioned it, but I'm going to, since we're braiding, I'm going to leave in conditioner as well. And I'm doing the Lauder Body coconut and shea oils leave-in conditioner. It's 45 me strengthening leave-in conditioner. I always like to leave-in conditioner before I braid my hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and straighten my hair, and I think it's going to be mostly the front. So I'm going to pat here in half because of what style we're going to be doing, and then I'm going to blow dry it, and I'll be back, guys. Okay girls, so I have blow dried my hair. As you can see, I focus more on the front blow drying, and the back I did just a tad bit just to get it soft where I can braid it. I'm going to be braiding the cornrows for the crochet. So for this style, what are you going to need? You're going to need some hair, crochet hair of your choice. This is Bahama curl by RastAfri. You're going to need some hair, braiding hair to braid the back cornrow. Some of you don't use hair to braid your cornrow for your crochet. I do. And you're going to need some hair to braid the front cornrow as well. Conditioning gel, of course, to help with the lines of your cornrow and probably your edges. You could use any brand you want. You're going to need your crochet pin to crochet the hair in, pair of scissors to cut the hair, the braiding hair, rat tail comb to just pat the hair and everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to braid my cornrow here. Okay, start braiding the cornrow here, and I'll show you what it looks like. For the front, I'm going to straighten the hair because my cornrows look better when I straighten my hair. So I'm going to use my timer ring and straighten the hair. So, all right, so this is how I pat the first cornrow. I want you to see it. It starts right from here, and we're going to braid a cornrow all the way down here. Okay, so I braided the first cornrow. Second cornrow, I'm going to use my middle part landmark here, which I know it's right here, even though I have it in a bun. And I'm going to start that cornrow not from this middle, but from here. All right. The whole point of braiding like this is you just want the cornrows to overlap. Okay, now I'm just going to braid the back straight back. So instead of braiding the cornrow for the crochet like I did, you could braid your cornrow all around, starting from the nape of your neck and braiding all the way to the top and finishing in the middle. I have braided my cornrows here in the back for my crochet. They're not perfect, but they're braided down. And then I took the cornrows, made 2 single braids, which I'm going to tuck in later. And then for the front, I have straightened this part of it is where I'm going to start. And then when it's time to do this part, I'm going to straighten it again with my timer ring and then do it. Okay, so we're going to start cornrowing. And as you can see, I have patted my first piece here and used a lot of conditioning gel to try to get my lines to be clean. And I have separated pieces of hair into 6 pieces. I might use all 6. So I'm just going to feed in the cornrow, and we're going for slightly bigger cornrow, not maybe medium size, I'd say. Okay. So I did a total of 16 cornrows in the front, 8 on each side. The 4 middle small ones, I crochet some of the crochet hair as well, so as to cover the top. Okay guys, I'm done with that cornrow, and what I did was go ahead and braid all the single braids of the cornrow into this direction, right? And make 1 single braid right here, this one. as you can see. Or you could decide to take the, because you have that middle part, take this part, braid it to this side. Okay, make a single braid, take this part and braid it to the side, make a single braid, and then tuck it in to the side corners. But I braided it all in one, and I'm going to just braid another single braid with the other two extensions that I have formed. Now tuck in the hair or crochet that single braid piece into any cornrow in the back. Bahama Curl by RastAfri, okay, and the color 1B. One pack was $7.49, and I think I bought I bought 3 packs, okay. Now this is what it looks like coming out of the pack. Okay, looks like 10 inches to me, 10 to 12 inches, I think. Doesn't say on the pack, usually it does, so that's kind of a miss by the company. So this is the back, and for the most part I was installing the pieces were this big, okay, and I was wrapping or crocheting it at least 3 times. But at the top you could separate it into 2, or you could install a whole piece, okay, that's up to you. So all I did, I'll show you how I install it. Let's insert my pin and put this on like so. Pull it. 1, 2, 3 times. That's how I installed the back. One more time. Insert that pin. It could be a whole piece or half a piece. Pull it. Right in, 2, 3, and pull. That's how the back was. That's how I installed the back. Now I've gotten to this place where I crisscrossed my braid or overlapped my braid. I'm going to use the invisible crochet method here and here. Okay, so I'm going to start that, and I'm going to come back and show you guys. Okay girls, I'm almost done with this crocheting. This is how far I have gone, and I am just crocheting those 2 little cornrows that I made, or that I braided earlier, and I'm using the invisible method, and this is how I crochet the whole front and top part right here, just like so, to get it to cover up, yeah, that's how I did this top part. Okay, and I'm going to keep crocheting here until I'm satisfied with this. Again, like I said, I used the invisible method. There you go. 1, 2, 3, and there you have it. So I'm going to finish up, and I'll show you the final look. Okay, that's what the back looks like. So we went ahead and did some trimming. I had showed you the back before doing that, but this is the final look, filling myself as usual. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, girls, and join this family.